Are you tired of annoying ads while browsing? In this video, I will show you how to enable the built-in ad blocker on the Opera app step by step so you can browse faster and enjoy a cleaner web experience. Opera comes with a built-in ad blocker which helps remove many ads and improves page loading speed without installing extra extensions. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Opera app. In this page of Opera, you have to click on this sign of profile, so you will tap on profile here. Then in this window you will find this sign of settings, so you will tap on settings. Here on this page you will find this sign. As you see, we click. If the sign changed to this color, then you will know how to enable ad blocker on Opera app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.